Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to change Adsense account on YouTube. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to your profile icon on the top right corner of the screen. And from here, just simply go to YouTube Studio. And after that, you should be able to see here, Earn. So just click on Earn, guys. And from here, as you can see, you will have your YouTube partner program options. And from here, just simply go ahead and click on change over here. So once you have click on change, guys, a pop-up will show up and just simply click on proceed. And from there, just simply log in into your account for security purposes. And after that, a pop-up will show up again. And from there, just simply click on continue. And guys, remember, if you change your AdSense account, it will be instant. And after that, just simply log in into your new account that you want to change. And after that, a pop-up will show up again and just simply click on accept association. And from there, you'll be able to change it. So just simply follow the steps that I'm showing you on the screen, and there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.